How to make money tax-free with long-term investing in 2023. Hey, the 20%
Do you want to know how to make money from your investments without paying any taxes?
Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how much you can make and still pay 0% capital gain taxes for 2023. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Noah and welcome to The Frugal Investor, where I share with you the best tips and tricks on personal finance and investing. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get into the topic of today's video: how much you can make and still pay 0% capital gain taxes for 2023. Capital gains are the profits you make when you sell an asset that has increased in value, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrency. Capital gains are taxed differently depending on how long you hold the asset before selling it. If you hold it for more than a year, it's called a long-term capital gain and it's taxed at a lower rate than your ordinary income. If you hold it for less than a year, it's called a short-term capital gain and it's taxed at the same rate as your ordinary income. Tax on your long-term capital gains. That means you can keep all of your profits without giving any to Uncle Sam. How awesome is that? So, how much can you make and still qualify for this 0% tax rate? Well, it depends on your filing status and the tax brackets for 2023. According to the IRS, these are the income limits for the 0% tax rate on long-term capital gains for 2023. If you're single or married filing separately, you can make up to $41,775. If you're married filing jointly or qualifying widow, you can make up to $83,550. If you're head of household, you can make up to $53,325. These numbers include both your ordinary income and your long-term capital gains. So, for example, if you're single and you make $30,000 from your job and $10,000 from selling some stocks that you held for more than a year, your total taxable income is $40,000. That means you're below the limit for the 0% tax rate on long-term capital gains and you don't have to pay any taxes on your $10,000 profit. However, if you make more than these limits, you'll have to pay either 15% or 20% tax on your long-term capital gains depending on how much you exceed them. The 15% tax rate applies to incomes up to $445,850 if you're single or married filing separately. $501,600 if you're married filing jointly or qualifying widow. $473,750 if you're head of household. The 20% tax rate applies to incomes above these amounts. So, as you can see, there's a huge difference between paying 0%, 15%, or 20% tax on your long-term capital gains. That's why it's important to plan ahead and optimize your income and investments to take advantage of this tax benefit. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and useful about how much you can make and still pay 0% capital gain taxes for 2023. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in this topic. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what other questions or topics you want me to cover in my next videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.